The curious nature of dogs can lead them into trouble if they accidentally consume pet toxic food or other household items. Your dog's seizures may be the first clue that they've been poisoned by a toxin, as seizures are a common clinical sign of poisoning in pets. I'm Dr. Juli, your go-to native pet vet, and this is Valentino. Today we're going to discuss what toxins can cause seizures in dogs and what to do when your dog is having a seizure. When your dog has a seizure, it can feel like an eternity. However, these temporary involuntary disruptions of normal brain function usually pass in about less than a minute. Most dog seizures are accompanied by uncontrolled muscle movement, but it also can be confined to a single body part like an ear twitch or a single foot movement. In the event that your dog has a seizure, do the following. 1. Avoid touching your pet to prevent an accident or an injury. 2. Remove any dangerous objects from the area, such as furniture with hard edges, to prevent your dog from being injured. 3. Place soft blankets or padding near your seizing dog to decrease the chances of any injury. 4. Time the length of the seizure and take a video. And 5. Turn off any bright lights and immediately call your veterinarian. The signs of seizures, such as muscle tremors or whole body shaking, are familiar to most pet owners. There may also be subtle signs before your dog exhibits a more obvious sign of seizure activity. A dog that's poisoned by a toxin may show any of the following signs: pacing, confusion, anxiety, excessive panting, drooling or foaming at the mouth, collapse, mouth chattering or tongue chewing, paddling motion of the legs, amongst other signs. It can be hard to resist your pet's longing eyes when you are enjoying a sweet chocolate treat or a delicious salty snack. But sharing your plate with your pet can lead to gastrointestinal distress or an accidental poisoning. Foods that may cause seizures include chocolate, caffeine, xylitol, which is a sugar substitute present in many sugar-free products, alcohol, and salt. When your dog injures a paw or hurts their leg chasing after that pesky squirrel, you may be tempted to give your pet an over-the-counter pain reliever. However, never treat your pet's pain or any discomfort with any medications unless advised to by your family veterinarian. Common medications which can cause seizures in dogs include antidepressants, ADHD medications, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory medications, and decongestants. If you're looking to reduce your pet's anxiety, consider giving them Native Pets Calm Chews, which can reduce general anxiety as well as promote normal brain activity. Dogs are at risk if they ingest dangerous plants, flowers, fungi, or fertilizer. Take your dog to the vet if they eat any of the following toxic plants: azalea, certain mushrooms, marijuana, sweet pea, tulip bulbs, amongst other plants. Exposure to popular cleaning and home improvement products can put your dog at risk for seizures. Avoid exposing your dog to any of the following household products: pesticides, paint fumes, antifreeze, lead-based paint, rubbing alcohol, Swiffer chemicals, amongst others. When your pet has a seizure, it can be an extremely alarming experience that you will want to avoid at all costs. So here are some tips for keeping your pet safe. Store all over-the-counter and prescription medications in a pet-proof container. Gate off any home improvement project areas or place your pet in a separate room when working with any toxic paints or chemicals. Hire a pest control professional who utilizes pet-safe options for unwanted pests. Thoroughly rinse all cleaning products off surfaces to ensure there's no residue where your pet may walk, including your countertops. In the event of a toxic poisoning, have the numbers of the nearest veterinary emergency hospital, your family veterinarian, and the ASPCA Animal Poison Control Center readily available. For more tips on keeping your pet happy and healthy, be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out the Native Pet blog.